Hello everybody. Today I'm going to demonstrate an app which enriches your HTML5 content from Adobe Captivate 6 by embedding any other HTML5 animations from HTML5 authoring tools or our own Adobe Edge Animate. You can not only embed HTML5 animations but also can create native apps for various devices and environments using Adobe's PhoneGap service. Let me quickly demonstrate how to do this in one of the apps we have developed. Click on the Browse button and select HTML5 output from Captivate 6. Click OK. The entire HTML5 output is displayed with an access to all the slides for my Captivate 6 project. In my second slide, let me insert an HTML5 animation which I have created in other HTML5 authoring tools. Now before I begin, let me explain the import animation panel in my right hand side. I have two options. I can either click on HTML5 button and import an HTML5 animation, or I can click on Edge button to import the HTML5 animations created in Edge. Let me click the first button and select HTML5 animation for my slides 2. And once I load the HTML5 animation, the insert button gets enabled. Clicking on insert places that animation on the stage. There is a live preview available on the stage. I can rescale the bounding rectangle and position it on the stage. Now once I place the animation on the stage, my slide thumbnail gives me a indication that there is an HTML5 animation placed. When I select the animation, it is also available in the library. I can click on delete button to delete this, or I can click on the master delete button to delete all the available entries in the library. In the transform panel, it gives me the positioning of the animation and it also gives me width and height of the animation. We have the timing panel where I can set the display time for a specific duration or for the rest of the slide. There are a couple of more parameters in the preview here. One is the project output, which tells me that it is at the moment 10.51 MB. As and when we add the animations, it keeps increasing, and if I delete the animation, it decreases. It also tells me that the width and height of the project is 800 by 600 and the slide duration is 3 seconds. Let me insert one more animation on the fifth slide. Click on HTML5 button and select other animations and slide 5, which explains about 4-stroke engine. Click OK and hit insert. Modify the dimension, position it accordingly, and if I don't want this, I can always hit delete button, but I need this now, so I'm going to click on insert again. Now let me insert one more animation, but this time it will be from Adobe Edge Animate output. Let me select the 7th slide and click on the Edge button, select an Edge animation, click open, insert it and position it on the slide here. Now I'm going to explain how we can do the preview of this content. We can do the preview in two ways. One, by clicking on preview in place, and it gives me the preview inside my app. Let me click on play button and move to the place where the animation happens. the audio and video are not available for the preview. So how do we do preview in browser? Click on preview in browser button. It opens up the default browser and I can preview the content here. As I mentioned earlier, we can output as native apps for various devices and environments. Before I do that, the first button tells me that I'm going to publish the content to this following location. If I want to change the publish location, I can always click on browse and change the publish location. Now, the second icon, when I select that and publish, it publishes as Captivate HTML5 output back. Let me now show you how to publish to iOS and Android devices. Select the respective icons and hit publish. We use PhoneGap service to create native apps. Let me log in here. Once I log in, I'm prompted with two options, either create a new app or update an existing app. I'm going to create a new app name Adobe 1 version 1.0 and package engine and hit go. It gives me an option to download the app or send the download link once the app creation process is finished. And it also gives me a message saying project successfully built. So now I can go ahead and download the app and use it on the respective devices. Now let me quickly show you how to create an app for the Metro, that is your Windows 8 devices. Select the Metro app icon and click publish, and in the background the app creation happens and I get a message saying publish completed successfully. Now how do I view this app? I just have to click on the start menu and navigate to the place where it is listed. When I click on this, my app opens up. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you soon. Thank you.